All right, hello there everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Jen. I got Jen, which is me. I got Spectacular Shelby.
Hello.
And I actually have the Popular Prince, who's waiting here because he's waiting to go on his walk. He doesn't look like it, but he's ready.
Here we go.
So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to do a super easy, super fast, super good, super spectacular dessert. And we're basically going to do a little spin on a banana split blizzard. So obviously here I've got my strawberries, I've got my bananas, and I've cut them up into some little bits. And I'm going to use, as always, a delicious chocolate custard. So because I'm using the chocolate custard, I don't have to add chocolate syrup, which would put the chocolate into your banana split. Got it here. And once again, I've got my wonderful Magic Bullet. So in my container first, I am going to put half of my chocolate custard. So this is about 12 ounces. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put half of my chocolate custard.
Ice, ice, baby.
Then I'm going to put in my mixture, my strawberry, my banana, Chiquita banana. So now remember, my Magic Bullet is just like a NutriBullet, or you can do it in a blender. Same thing. So the little kick we're going to add to it, once again, we don't have to add our chocolate syrup because I am using chocolate custard. You can do vanilla ice cream, just add a little Hershey squirt of chocolate. So now, just because I have a little extra whipped cream, Cool Whip actually, I'm going to add it in there. Just for flavor. Just wanted to get rid of it. I've done half with everything. I'm going to add the rest of my chocolate custard. Or like I said, once again, you can use vanilla ice cream. I'm going to smush it on down a little bit. Now that I've got everything in there, I'm going to pop my little lid on here. And all I've got to do, just like before with any blizzard or milkshake we've made, we're going to pop the top.
Ice, ice, baby.
Now, just so you know, it does take a second or two to get everything blended together and mixing all up. All right, so now, like I said, it takes a minute to get it all mixed together, especially when you're using a NutriBullet, Magic Bullet. If you're using a blender, obviously it's a little faster. Now we have got everything mixed up.
Explode.
All right, so now here it is. Not quite a blizzard because I can flip it upside down, but it's got chocolate, it's got banana, it's got strawberry, and a little hint of some whipped cream all blended together. There you have it. Quick, easy, super delicious, super good dessert, super simple. Once again, you're watching Cooking with Jen. I'm Jen. Be kind and subscribe. And guess what? I will see you next time.